Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Many smart locks only use 4 GHz Wi-Fi and require recent firmware. Once done, install fresh batteries and enable Bluetooth on your phone so the app can find the lock locally. Log into or create the manufacturer app account now so credentials are saved. Start the app setup wizard and follow the first on-screen prompts to put the lock into pairing mode. This initial connection is the bridge to configure Wi-Fi later. You should pair the lock locally via Bluetooth before attempting a direct Wi-Fi handoff. Once the app shows the lock, choose the option to connect to Wi-Fi and enter the router SSID and password exactly, because typos cause silent failures. Make sure you select the 4 GHz band if the lock doesn't support 5 GHz. Also grant the app permissions for Bluetooth, location, and network access so the phone can relay credentials and confirm the lock's IP address on your. Finally, confirm the lock shows online in the app and test remote lock and unlock to verify cloud connectivity. If firmware updates appear, apply them now because they fix stability and security issues. If the lock fails to connect, reboot the router and power cycle the lock, then retry. Many problems resolve with a simple restart. If you still can't connect, factory reset the lock and redo the process. And make sure router settings like MAC filtering or Enterprise WPA2 aren't blocking the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.